Ex-Petroleum Minister Diezani Alison-Madueke's suit against Efcc on seized assets in stores. And now to the news in full. A suit filed by the former Minister of Petroleum Deziani Alison-Madueke to challenge the order obtained by the Efcc for final forfeiture of her seized assets was on Monday stalled at the Federal High Court, Abuja. The matter, which was before Justice Inyang Eko, was fixed for further mention in the day's court list. However, the case could not proceed because the court did not sit. Justice Eko was said to be attending a seminar at the National Judicial Institute, NJI, in Abuja. The matter was subsequently fixed for November 21. The News Agency of Nigeria, NAN, reports that the ex-minister had, through her counsel, Chief Michael Ozekome-San, sued the anti-graft agency as the sole respondent. Alison-Madueke in the suit marked FHC/ABJ/CS/21/2023 sought an order extending the time to seek leave to apply to the court for an order to set aside the EFCC's public notice issued to conduct a public sale on her property. Wow. In the motion, dated and filed on January 16, 2023 by her lawyer, the former minister sought 5 orders from the court. The former minister, who argued that the various orders were made without jurisdiction, said this ought to be set aside ex debito justitiae. Alison-Madueke alleged that she was not given a fair hearing in the proceedings leading to the orders. The various court orders issued in favor of the respondents and upon which the respondent issued the public notice were issued in breach of the applicant's right to fair hearing, as guaranteed by Section 36, subsection 1 of the 1999 Constitution, as altered and other similar constitutional provisions, she said. The former minister argued that she was neither served with the charge sheet and proof of evidence in any of the charges, nor any other summons regarding the criminal charges pending against her before the court. She further argued that the courts were misled into making several final forfeiture orders against her assets through suppression or non-disclosure of material facts. The several applications upon which the court made the final order of forfeiture against the applicants were obtained upon gross misstatement, misrepresentations, non-disclosures, concealment and suppression of material facts, and this honorable court has the power to set aside same ex debito justitiae, as a void order is as good as if it was never made at all. The orders were made without recourse to the constitutional right to a fair hearing and right to property accorded to the applicant by the Constitution. The applicant was never served with the processes of court in all the proceedings that led to the order of final forfeiture, she said, among other grounds given. This country, now, someone looted money. The ex-petroleum minister looted money, and she is still having the mind, the audacity to go to court and say they should not seize her property. After everything that you did, you are supposed to even be in jail. You're not even supposed to be having courts proceeding, and what do they call it at all? But the EFCC, in a counter affidavit deposed to by Mr. Rufai Zaki, a detective with the commission, urged the court to dismiss her application. Zaki, a member of the team that investigated the case of criminal conspiracy, official corruption and money laundering against the ex-minister and some other persons involved in the case, said the investigation had clearly shown that she was involved in some acts of criminality. So you were involved because you are ex-minister of petroleum. You are now still saying that they should not forfeit your property. What kind of audacity do these our people have? These people in power, they have so much audacity that they don't want to be answerable to anybody. You were caught laundering money, doing corruptive activities, and yet you still say that they should not forfeit your properties. Your properties that you acquired with stolen funds. Okay. He said that Alison-Madueke was therefore charged before the court in charge number FHC/ABJ/CR/208/2018 We hereby rely on the charge dated 14 November 2018 filed before this Honourable Court and also attached as Exhibit C in the applicant's affidavit, he said. The Efcc operative said most of the depositions in Mrs. Alison-Madueke's suit were untrue. He said that contrary to her deposition in the affidavit filed in support of the suit, most of the cases which led to the final forfeiture of the contested property were action in rem. Same was held at the various times and determined by this Honourable Court. Saki argued that one Nnamdi Awakalu represented the ex-minister in reaction to one of the forfeiture applications. We humbly rely on the judgment of Honourable Justice I.L.N. Oweibo, dated 10th September 2019, shown in Exhibit C of the applicant's affidavit, he said. The officer said that, contrary to her, the final forfeiture of the assets which were subject to the present application was ordered by the court in 2017 and that this was not set aside or overturned on appeal. According to him, the properties have been disposed of through due process of the law. So what else is she looking for again if the properties have been forfeited already? The auctioning exercise conducted on the seized asset believed to include Alison-Madueke's property started January 9, 2023. The suspended chairman of Efcc, Abdulrasheed Bawa, had revealed that $153 million and over 80 properties had been recovered from the ex-minister. How? Look at the amount of money they saw from you, 80 properties. What do you want to do with it? Even if you build 10 billion houses, you are only going to live in one. But you acquired 80 properties, $153 million for you alone. How much is your salary? As the Minister of Petroleum, how much are you collecting? You've laundered the money of the citizens and you are still having the effrontery to say that they should not forfeit your property and all of that. She was alleged to have escaped to the United Kingdom and remained there after her exit from public office as the Petroleum Minister, an office she held between 2010 and 2015 under the administration of former President Goodluck Jonathan. The asset-related suit is different from the one she also filed to seek 100 billion naira as compensation for a series of Efcc alleged libelous publications against her. My tired is tired of this country. You laundered money. You were arrested. Now you are suing Efcc for 100 billion naira because of what? Did you not do the things that they accused you of? I don't understand. The Ezekiel said, nonsense too much for this country. Imagine this woman who thieves country money well, so still have the guts to sue Efcc because she see the country finish. Exactly. She's from OBJ and you see rats can't kill other rats for eating fish because they are family of thieves. I don't understand what is going on because this is total rubbish to me. Because how can you steal public funds? You were caught and you are still trying to sue Efcc for arresting you. Is it that? I don't understand what is going on. I don't understand though. My listeners, over to you. Kindly leave your thoughts in the comment section. Do not forget to like, to share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.